So when you open the box, you get both mirrors, you get 4 bolts, 4 washers, and on the inside of the mirror, they have it marked so you know which side it's going to go on, like that's R for the right side. So these are going to mount up to the factory holes that are here, and the threads are going to be threaded onto the mirror. So you just put these bolts through and it'll tighten up on the mirror. Then you're going to get your Allen wrenches and tighten it all the way up. On the driver's side, you're going to have to break through the sticker, but it's alright, it doesn't take much force. One good thing about them is that they adjust up and down and they come in and out. You can also push these mirrors in and out to adjust them as well. These are definitely a great upgrade. They're very stable so far, and I mean they're great for you to be able to see behind you, and if you're trying to make it street legal, this is a great option. Say I'm driving and I need to adjust this mirror, all I have to do is lean over, figure out what angle works best. Now this will work best for me to push it in just a little bit, and actually I need to come in just a little, like right in, let's see, there, and push it in. If I'm driving, that's the best angle for me to be able to see what is behind me on the right side. So you come over here to the driver's side, and again, this mirror is also adjustable. And so it goes up and down, and then it also comes in and out. And then for the fine tuning, you can press this side or this side to get that perfect angle for when you're driving. And again, if you hit a tree or something, it's gonna go in like that. Just stop, push it out, adjust it to wherever you want it to be, and you're good to go. This is great for increasing your safety with this machine, or any machine in particular, because you have more visibility from behind. And so you can see things if someone's coming up behind you or trying to pass you, or you can see if someone happened to break down or something happened or accident happened behind you, so you can stop and help that person, or you know, do whatever that you need to. Or if you see someone's a little slower behind you, you can slow down for them. So yeah. Again, you don't have to worry about breaking these mirrors. If you back up and you hit something, you're just gonna go forward. And if you're driving down the trail and you hit a branch, stuff happens, it's just gonna fold in. That's it. I mean, these are super great, very adjustable. Pretty much put them where you want them to be. And I mean, there's a great upgrade, especially for this machine. Because I know this machine usually leads the pack, you know. So he can see everyone behind him to make sure everyone's okay and to make sure everyone's still following him.